Trinitron9 County Ellen getting down.
Have a great day. What up, sir?
Everything good, man. Just testing out my water. Good afternoon, pistol. Good afternoon on the band. Trinitron9 County Ellen, sticking and moving.
What, I'd like to nationwide good news. Hey man, ask Motor Mount Mall if he's going to take that cabbage and bring them down to Lake County.
Hello, around the west side, number 9 County Ellen, checking my water. Hello, around the west side, Trinitron9 County Ellen, checking my water.
Ask Motor Mouth Mud Runner if he's going to take that mobile over there down around the Long Beach breaker.
Who's going to get it back to Coney Island? Trinitron9 rocking and rolling. Who's going to get it back to the deep waters of Coney Island? Trinitron9 rocking and rolling.
Yeah, they ain't going to make you 10-8. I'm long-winded. But I guess if you got 100 watts, you can really be long-winded.
Yeah, big old happy Sunday out there, and I'm going to get back inside and read this nationwide good news. Motormouth Mall stepping. They got down right there.
Hey, Motormouth Mall, look around Coney Island, Trinitron9 trying to get a radio cleanup. Hello, Motormouth Mall, Trinitron9 trying to get a radio cleanup.
I think he said Georgia. I don't know. I'm trying to get the video gate started. H351, I'm trying to get...
I'll get back on Motormouth Mall, Trinitron9 rocking and rolling. I'll get back on Motormouth Mall, Trinitron9 rocking and rolling.
Hello to you, Game Warden. Hey, Game Warden, wait a minute now. You said, hey, Fireball, make sure you tell good news. They don't belong on Channel 28.
I heard some heterodyne in there, but Fireball got my ear hole. I heard some heterodyne in there, but Fireball got my ear hole. Yeah, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, rocking and rolling.
Motormouth Mall stepping them out.
I needed that radio clean out. Hey, Snake Doctor, I needed that radio clean out. You came right over the top, Snake Doctor. I needed that Coney Island radio cleanup. Hello, Snake Doctor. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
It comes to 28. It just ain't safe. Game Warden. You said nationwide good news can come to Channel 28, but it might not be as safe. Might not.
Yeah, well, Fireball keyed up that time. He changed the situation. Hey, Snake Doctor, Fireball keyed up that time, and he changed the situation on my side. I heard you in the background heterodyning. Hey, I'm trying to clean out your radio if I can. I'm trying to clean out your radio if I can. I'm trying to come over the top on your side. What about a Snake Doctor? What about a Snake Doctor? Trinitron9 rocking and rolling.
I don't know why you don't want his space station no more. You still got it. I think Fireball ran his space station.
I still hear the heterodyne in this, Snake Doctor. Hey, Snake Doctor, that Fireball stuck in my ear hole, but I'm trying to come over the top. Hey, Snake Doctor, I'm trying to ride the wave and walk on this water and come over the top, coming back to you there. But that Fireball got my ear hole on this side. Hey, Snake Doctor, come on in here, man. Come and get some bread. Come and break some bread, Snake Doctor. Come and get a piece of this bread, Snake Doctor. Trinitron9 rocking and rolling.
Who knows, because you might have the right voltage or, it's the right generator, right small little generator. You can run that stuff. You might do some good breaking with that little 4-element beam you got on that newsstand, that breaker.
Yeah, well, I heard the heterodyne in there again, the Snake Doctor. I heard the heterodyne in there again, man. That Fireball got his mind made up. Hey, Snake Doctor, Fireball got his mind made up out here. Hey, Snake Doctor, I'm going to go on the boardwalk and eat another piece of bread and watch the ships go by. And I'm going to keep my ear to the water. Hey, Snake Doctor, good morning, good morning, good morning, and good afternoon on the band. Whoever's on the band with the afternoon time, Trinitron9, the man with all that bread, Coney Ellen, back on the side.
And then I can, well, I'm using the driver out of that trailer right now, so I have to throw a driver in there or something in there. But I got 2 other boxes in there, man.
I heard you in there. I know you in there. Hey, Snake Doctor, I know you in there, man. I got my video game rolling. Hey, Snake Doctor, I got my video game rolling. I know you in there, man. But like I said, Fireball got his mind made up. Hey, Snake Doctor, I'm trying to ride this wave and come right over the top, coming back your way. But this way, Fireball, he got the water on fire on my side. Hey, Snake Doctor, he got the water on fire on my side. Hey, Snake Doctor, Trinitron9, the man with all that bread in his hand, rocking and rolling.
For so long, but, yeah, you tell old Snake Doctor, Fireball waved at him, man. Hey, Game Warden, tell old Snake.
Yeah, he's passing fires and everything. He telling Game Warden the wave of fires to you to tell you that he said hello. Hey, Snake Doctor, I'm gonna take a quick pause for the cause, man. I got the video game still rolling. I'm gonna take a quick pause for the cause and see what's going on. Take care, Snake Doctor. Waving it on the band. Trinitron9, Trinitron9, the man with all that bread. Coney Ellen, got down.
There ain't 10 runs on that, no doubt about it, man. All right. Well, I'm going to sit back, man. I got some stuff I got to do on that end. I heard my friend Trinitron9 out there before old Game Warden came out there. And nationwide good news, if you're still out there, I'm going to wave at you. But Game Warden just took over the band, and you might have ran. Take care, Game Warden. I'm gone.
Take care, Fireball. Take care, Fireball. Take care, Snake Doctor. Trinitron9 rocking and rolling. Take care around the west side. Trinitron9, D Waters of Coney Ellen, rocking and rolling.
Yeah, today's the day where all the backscatters in there, because I was down on 6, and most of the time I don't hear them guys down there around Los Angeles and whatnot, but I can hear their backscatter today. It's big time today. I don't know. I think it's just the certain days they do.
Riding the wave and walking on all this water out here in Coney Island. I'm riding the wave and walking on all this water around Coney Island. Y'all got to do something with Fireball, man. He got my ear hole around Coney Island. Y'all gonna have to do something with Fireball because he got my ear out here in Coney Island. It is what it is there. But I'm eating bread. I'm sitting on the boardwalk with a good piece of bread in my hand. Trinitron9, the man with the bread. Coney Island, got down.
She's out here visiting from Michigan on that end, and she's visiting her grandma over there in San Diego area, so I got to run pick her up. Hey, take care, Mr. Glenn. I'll roll around the sand pile. I'm out the middle of the road.
I heard you had your dining again. I believe Snake Doctor. I believe I heard you had your dining again. But Fireball still got that big mole in my ear hole out here in Coney Island. Hey, Snake Doctor, Fireball still got that big mole in my ear hole around Coney Island. Good morning, good afternoon. Good morning, good afternoon. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling. And Snake Doctor's all by itself when Fireball ain't in there. Snake Doctor's all by itself in Coney Island when Fireball ain't keying up. That's the thing. That's for sure. There, it is what it is. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling.
0-1 Snake Doctor with the ball right away. 7 back.
Hey, Snake Doctor, can I ease back up in your radio? Hey, Snake Doctor, can I ease back up in your radio? Hey, Snake Doctor, Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
Yeah, Roger, Dodger 701. You got that station smoking. I'm not joking. You're down to style 701. Snake, I'm on Dodger. No signal back.
Hey, Snake Doctor, here I come again. Hey, Snake Doctor, here I come again. Hey, Snake Doctor, here I come again. Hey, Snake Doctor, Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
There's a little memory, 701, 7 on backs.
I see 701 hit your ear hole. I see that 701 hit your ear hole. Hey, Snake Doctor, I see 701 hit your ear hole. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Hey, Snake Doctor, Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
Trinitron9, you're right up there right now. Snake Doctor says, I'm standing on the boardwalk. I'm standing right next to you. I put my hand in your hair. Hey, Trinitron9, Snake with a wave. get down.
You was all by yourself, Snake Doctor. You was all by yourself, man. A minute ago, Fireball in my ear. But you all by yourself in Coney Island right now, Snake Doctor. You all up in the water. You all up in the boardwalk. Hey, Snake Doctor, Trinitron9, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling.
28, good job, game. Say Dodge with a high ball for Sunday wave at Trinitron9. I gotta go, Rico.
Nice, Snake Doctor. Do what you got to do, man. I'm going to stand in the water for a little while longer. I'm going to stand out here in sunny Coney Island for a little while longer and play in the water. Take your Snake Doctor, Fireball, and all the good time game. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling.
I'll send on back, right.
All right, there, Snake Doctor. I appreciate the playback. I appreciate the playback, man, because I know it's rough and tough from time to time, but I appreciate the playback. Hey, Snake Doctor and all the good time gang. I'm going to sit on the boardwalk. I'm going to watch the ships go by again. Hey, Snake Doctor, you know what I do. I sit on the boardwalk and watch the ships go by. Take care, Snake Doctor, and all the good time gang. Trinitron9. Bye, bye, bye.
Have a birthday, Trinitron9. See you.
And that's my Trinitron9. That's my Trinitron9. The man with all that bread in his hand, Coney Island, get down.
Oh, Snake Doctor, I am more wreaking havoc in my game. I don't know about yours.
Yeah, when Fireball was out there, I heard Snake Doctor in the Heterodiner, but I couldn't make out anything.
Don't point it the other way. Don't point it the other way. Point it towards the East Coast. The pistol just went bang.
Pistol, I'm trying to look at you, and I want to hear you, and I heard you. I heard you anyway, but I just wanted to hear you better. I wanted to hear you better. You ain't got no problem. You all by yourself in Coney Island. Hello, Pistol Grip, the man with the bread. Good down.
Nah, T351 said he can't hear Snake Doctor because he got his beam aimed at hallway there, Trent.
Oh, okay, 351, no doubt about it. I don't have 351 now. All I had a minute ago was Snake Doctor and Fireball. All right, let me take a pause for the cause. Let me eat another piece of bread. Let me take a pause for the cause and eat another piece of bread. The man with the bread got down.
Hey, 351, my tag ain't got a grip on your lip today, 351. 351, you ain't staying on the key long enough for T9 to hear you, 351 pistol.
I ain't got no radio check today. Mobile ain't working today.
Trent, you're not picking him up. Play with that beam of yours, man. He dipping and dabbing all up in this gate.
Yeah, I believe I heard a little something, but I ain't got condition on it right now. I ain't got condition on it right now, Pistol. Go ahead and do your thing since he's all up in your gate. I'm going to eat another piece of bread. Trinitron9, get down.
We're in the 12 minute and 7 seconds on 1207.
And that's a Roger. No, I'm looking around the west side. I'm looking back around the west side. I want to know if Snake Doctor still out there and he still want to come out and play. I want to know if Snake Doctor still want to play. I want to know if he want to meet me in the water. Hello around the west side. Hello around the west side. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
That's why, Trent. That's why you couldn't hear him, because you aimed at the west side. Him in Florida, man. He flipped to the flat side. He came up like 3 or 4 more dBs. He switched to the flat side and shut my radio down 127.
And I heard you 127. Yeah, I heard him a little bit, man. But I ain't got the best of conditions on him right now. But let him know I did wave a hand. If he hear me, then I'm waving a hand. Trinitron9, the man with all that bread. Got down.
I bet if I throw a hanger up in the air, I bet if I throw a hanger, you get a beam lock and pull quiet this receiver. Let me try. Let me see if I drop a hanger, you get a lock. Oh, I hung it up enough. I'm that quiet.
Yeah, that's just a mother nature thing, that's all.
Hey, 351, I hear you in Coney Island, Ray did. You got a grip on my lip? What about it, 351? I hear you in the deep waters of Coney Island. Do you have a grip on my lip? Well, I heard him that time. I heard 351. I don't think he heard me, but I heard 351 in my Coney Island radio. Hello.
Look at the Trinitron9. I heard you top of day over there. You're 351 waving at you.
All right, 351, I appreciate it, man. Hey, 351, I appreciate it. You came up in my radio. Good afternoon, 351. Hope all is well. Been a little while since we broke bread. 351, Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
I'm in the 14-minute zone of this New York City show and tell. The 14-minute zone. I gave y'all a gift in the 7-minute, 50-second zone.
And that's a Roger. That's a Roger. No doubt about a pistol grip. 351 came up for a minute in my radio. We broke a little piece of bread in the middle of the water. And it is what it is. Trinitron9, Coney Island, getting down. All right, what's going on around the west side? Trinitron9 want to know what's going on around the west side. What's going on around the west side? Trinitron9, Coney Island, trying to get a long distance west side radio check. I'm trying to get a long distance west side radio check. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
You ran kind of big and nationwide good news at Channel 11, Gabe Morton.
Hello. Look like Fireball's back in the water. They look like Fireball got back in the water. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. I'm trying to get a West Coast radio clean out. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
Hello there, 109 out there around Orlando, Florida, man. I'm away to you, 109.
I heard a little heterodyning in there, but I don't know what was going on because Fireball got my ear hole. I heard some heterodyning in there, but I don't really know what's going on because Fireball had my ear hole. Trinitron9, Coney Island, trying to get some conditions out here.
What did you say? Long distance operator.
Down here.
I hear you saying Trinitron9, man, but you're going to have to wait till Fireball get up that mall, man. He got you covered up and goggled up there, but I'm going to wave a hand and say good morning, good afternoon, whoever that is. Trinitron9, Coney Island, sticking and moving. It got quiet in Coney Island. Whoever that was, man, it's your turn to burn. Don't wait to Fireball key up. Don't wait to Fireball key up. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Got down?
GS35B driver. It goes about 800, swinging about 1200. Hey,
Well, that's all she wrote. Fireball's in my ear hole. If you can hear Fireball, man, key up when he get up the key and try to let me know who you are and where you coming from. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island, rocking and rolling.
Trinitron9. Hey, good afternoon to you there, Trinitron9, Fireball waving.
Hey, Fireball, it's your show in Coney Island. It's your show in Coney Island, man. I got to talk between the keys. Good afternoon, Fireball. I got to talk between the keys. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
Right back there, Trinitron9. Nah, you ain't got to get in between the keys, man. You just got to get in there when the Mother Nature runs in there, no doubt. Hey, Trinitron9. You just got to run in there when the Mother Nature rolls. Fireball with the wave.
All right, big brother, keep up the good work, man. Keep up the good work, man. You putting it down all around town, all in my deep waters of Coney Island. Take care, Fireball. We'll do it again the next time around. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Bye, bye, bye.
Trinitron9, man, it's a little rough out there. You got a bunch of people out there talking on the radio, and I kind of lost you there, no doubt. Hey, take care, worldwide, Trinitron9, your friend Fireball's back out.
Got it all, Fireball. Go ahead and do your thing, man. Go ahead and do your thing. I heard somebody in the heterodyne trying to call me, but it's all good. Do what you got to do, Fireball. I'll be on the side. I'll be eating a piece of bread. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Bye, bye, bye. The man that don't ghost talk, the man that don't cross talk, the man that ain't afraid of no ghosts, 'cause I got the Holy Ghost. Catch y'all later. Bye, bye, bye.